Good day, everybody. Today I'd like to talk to you about the RYOBI impact driver model PCL235. It's an 18 volt quarter-inch impact driver. This is my favorite drill that I use. I love the impact driver. What I use a regular drill for is just essentially to if I need to drill a hole or something like that. Other than that, this is the go-to tool. It's really quite powerful little thing. And with like a lot of the RYOBI tools, it has a LED light in the front here that you can use to when you utilize the tool, it lights up the area, illuminates the area. Really nice. It doesn't weigh a whole lot. It's only about 2.6 pounds, but there's a lot of power in that little 2.6 pound package. I have it showing that, of course, it uses the 1.5 and 4 hour batteries that are shown here. And it's a great little tool to have. Once you have an impact driver, you really won't go back to any other type of drill or whatsoever. But this is the tool to get. So anyhow, if you'd like to find out more about this tool, please click on the link below. And also, if you can please like and subscribe, that really helps out the channel quite a bit. Appreciate your time watching these videos, and we'll talk to you soon.